that, let's now look at the next question. So question number 4 is, how do you translate executive strategy into program execution so that work stream, governance, and benefits remain aligned throughout the program lifecycle? This is a very important program manager interview question because it tests whether you as a program manager can move beyond the high-level strategy and turn it into actual execution. The interviewer wants to know whether you can take executive intent to translate it into outcomes, work streams, deliverables, owners, governance, and measurable benefits for the organization. So to answer, I would begin by clarifying the executive intent and the strategic objectives. Before building work streams or roadmaps, I need to understand what the organization is actually trying to achieve here, why the program exists and why the benefits are expected, and what success looks like in this program. Then I would define the expected program outcomes, benefits, and KPIs. This is important because strategy becomes meaningful only when it can be measured. If the program cannot clearly define outcomes and benefits, then the execution may become activity-based rather than the value-based. Next, I would translate the strategy into a practical program structure. That includes the roadmap, component projects, work streams, milestones, dependencies, owners, decision rights, and governance checkpoints. Each work stream should understand not only what it is delivering, but how that work contributes to the broader program outcomes. I would also establish a strong operating rhythm. This means regular governance reviews, decision forums, risk and issue escalations, dependency tracking, benefit reporting, and stakeholder communication. This cadence keeps the strategy alive through the program lifecycle. Without that operating cadence, strategy can remain just a statement. The program manager's role is to make the strategy executable by creating the structured discipline, and governance needs to keep all work streams aligned. During delivery, I would continuously monitor whether the work streams still support the strategy and whether the expected benefits are still achievable. If priorities